These seat cushions sure can get gross. We set drinks here and everything else. Well, the whole cushion comes off usually two ways. Right underneath the front edge here, there's a little lever that you can flip and slide the whole thing out. Or in a case like this one, there's two little screws under here. Behind there, there's a little screw I'm touching, and another one over here. Pull those screws out, then the seat will slide forward and come up. Or there's this kind with the extra lever here. That's going to have a little trigger right here. Pull that over and the seat comes out. Kind of need two hands to do it. Is this what your seat covers look like? I've seen worse, where you can't even see the front here because of coffee stains. Well, yeah, kind of like this back here. You can barely see the pattern. We're gonna fix that up. Pressure washer. This one looked a lot like that. Look at the muddy water running just from that one. Oof. Now this I can't do much about. That's seat covers. But I still want a clean seat under my seat covers. Coming back to life. Put them on this wagon so I can move them around in the into the sunshine. This one still, well, at least needs another treatment, but remember how that was? It's better. I think I'm gonna take that one back over to the pressure washer. And this one, wow, what a difference. Sure, it's still torn up. But now it's just torn up, not gross and torn up.